Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Omen 15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've been experiencing issues with certain keys not responding on your HP Omen 15, you're not alone. This problem can occur due to dust or debris getting lodged beneath the keys, or it might indicate a deeper issue with the keyboard itself. If left unresolved, it can hinder your productivity and lead to further complications, so it's best to tackle it promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, tweezers, and a replacement keyboard specific to the HP Omen 15. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Flip the device over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Carefully remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, making sure to keep them in a safe place. Use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Take your time to avoid breaking any clips. Once the back panel is off, locate the keyboard cable that connects it to the motherboard. This is usually situated near the top of the device. Gently disconnect this cable using your tweezers, being cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Next, you'll need to remove the screws that hold the keyboard in place. These are typically found around the edges of the keyboard itself. Once all screws are removed, carefully lift the keyboard out, ensuring that you don't tug on any cables. Now, take your replacement keyboard and position it in place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the keyboard cable to the motherboard, making sure it's seated properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is in place, carefully replace the back panel by aligning it with the clips and pressing it down firmly. Screw the back panel into place, ensuring that all screws are tightened securely. Finally, power on your laptop and test the keys to ensure they respond correctly. If you want to avoid this issue in the future, regularly clean your keyboard with compressed air to remove any dust or debris. Additionally, consider using a keyboard cover to protect against spills and dirt. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.